All right, so a couple of days ago, I bought the chicken salt from Pete Brinkworth. That's his details over there. He's the person who originally made the recipe for chicken salt, and the recipe he sold off on to the Mitani family. So this is going to be an unboxing and going to do a bit of a taste test. So this cost me $55 including postage, and we shall see how it goes. Well, I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting 3 chicken salt jars, but I have 5. So this is what comes with it. Just a bit of history of the chicken salt, and 5 200 grams, so a kilo's worth of chicken salt. So for $55, that isn't too bad at all. This came perhaps 3 to 5 business days after I texted Pete about it. So we shall see. So this is what it looks like side by side. Both are 200 grams. Pete's is chunkier, so thicker around the width. So let's do a side-by-side comparison of the ingredients. So Pete's chicken salt has only 50% salt. The Mitani one has 79%, nearly 80% salt. So the rest of his ingredients are chicken stock powder, MSG, paprika, garlic, onion, celery, rice flour, herbs and spices. And Mitani's is anti-caking agent 551, rice flour, natural flavor, spices, vegetable powder, yeast extract. So we'll do the taste test now. So first impressions, Pete's is definitely darker, more orangey, whereas Mitani is more to that typical yellow, neon yellow chicken salt that you would normally see. So I'll do a taste test now. Wow. So Pete's chicken salt definitely has more of a umami, which is probably reflected in the fact that it uses MSG, but the chicken is very strong here. Like the chicken flavor, the chicken taste is strong here compared to Mitani, which is saltier, not as herby as Pete. So you can definitely taste the difference already. 50% chicken salt, nearly 80% salt, 50% salt and 80% salt. So yes, if you're looking for the original chicken salt, I definitely highly recommend Pete's. Can't go wrong with it, really. And at this stage, Pete's a legend. It's like buying something original, and I bought it from the original maker of one of Australia's best homegrown foods. So well done, Pete. I like your chicken salt.